Very good morning to you. Welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower this morning. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Yesterday, the market closed 0.66% lower at 7,608. In business news from this morning, the Qantas Group reports a $1.25 billion underlying profit before tax for the first half of financial year 2024. Earnings were 13% lower than the same period of financial year 2023 as fares and capacity continued to normalise. Lower fares contributed to reduced revenue per available seat kilometre, which had around $600 million impact on profit, while freight yields fell by $146 million. However, this was mostly offset by a contribution from increased flying of $485 million and unwinding of transition costs from the post-COVID restart of $179 million. Unit cost excluding fuel fell by 5.2% year on year. Total flying increased by 25% on an available seat kilometre basis, and the group carried 3.3 million more passengers compared to the first half of 2023. Travel demand remained strong across all sectors, with leisure continuing to lead and business travel now approaching pre-COVID levels. Fortescue Metals net profit rose 41% to $3.3 billion for the 6 months ending 31st of December on sales of $9.5 billion, up 21% on a year ago. Iron ore shipments of 94.6 million tonnes for the half year were the second highest first half shipments in the company's history. Underlying EBITDA of $5.9 billion was 36% higher than the first half of financial year 2023, with an increased underlying EBITDA margin of 62%. A fully franked interim dividend declared of $1.08 per share is 44% higher than financial year 2023 interim dividend and represents a payout of 65% of the first half UNPAT. And Insignia Financial today announced UNPAT for the 6 months ending 31st of December 2023 of $95.5 million. That's an increase of 1.2% on last year. UNPAT of the first half of 2024 was a loss of $49.9 million, whereas last year it was up $45.1 million, reflecting expenditure on strategic initiatives and remediation. Net revenue increased 0.6% on the prior corresponding period to $695.7 million, driven by higher average funds under management and administration from positive investment markets, partly offset by production and platform simplification repricing. First half 2024 interim dividend of 9.3 cents per share, and that's going to be payable on the 3rd of April. Let's take a break here. I'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. Let's take a look overseas now. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.13%. The S&P 500 gained 0.13%, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 0.32%. In Europe, London's FTSE fell 0.73%. Frankfurt added 0.29%, and Paris gained 0.22%. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei fell 0.26%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 1.57%, and China's Shanghai Composite added 0.97%. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.